I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
Our last row is going to turn our sunflower into a square, and we're going to use the green yarn for that. The first thing you have to do is find a space between the bottle stitches. Take the green yarn, tie it twice, so you're gonna do that in a space between these bobble stitches. And insert the hook, grab the yarn, chain 4. Now go around the hook twice, which means we're doing treble crochets. Grab the yarn, pull through, grab the yarn, pull through 2, grab the yarn, pull through 2, grab the yarn and pull through 2. We're gonna do that one more time. Make a treble crochet. Now we're going to chain 2 and make 3 more treble crochets inside the same space. That's 2, and that's 3 treble crochets. Now, without chaining, yarn over, go to the next space and make 3 double crochets. 2 and 3. Then yarn over, go to the next space, make 3 half double crochets. 2, 3. Yarn over, get to the next space, make 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Now yarn over twice, get to the next space and make 3 treble crochets. Chain 2, make 3 more treble crochets inside of the same space. 1, 2, 3. Without chaining, get to the next space, yarn over, make 3 double crochets. That's 1, that's 2, that's 3. In the next space, make 3 half double crochets. 1, 2, 3. In the next one, make 3 double crochets. In the next one, you're gonna make 3 treble crochets, chain 2, and again 3 treble crochets in the same stitch. In the next one, you're gonna make 3 double crochets. In the next one, you're gonna make 3 half double crochets. In the next one, you're gonna make 3 trebles, chain 2 and 3 trebles, and so on. It's the same pattern. Okay, I just did 3 half double crochets, and now I'm going to my last space to make 3 double crochets. 2 and 3. And now, you see that chain 4? Go on the last chain and make a slip stitch. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. this is our first granny square. As you can see, it has gotten kind of messy, so I'm just going to take my yarn needle and I'm going to weave in all these ends. Here are the granny squares now. They're clean, and we're going to sew them together, and we're gonna do that by using the 3mm crochet hook and the green yarn. We're gonna use single crochet. The first thing you have to do is take 2 granny squares on the right side and put them like this. So the right side of both of these granny squares is on the inside. We have that. Now, on one of the corners, insert the hook, take the yarn, tie it twice, insert the hook on that same corner, take the yarn, chain 1. In that same space, make 1 single crochet. Then, see where the stitches are on both sides. Insert the hook through this stitch and the same stitch on the other side. Grab the yarn, pull through both. Grab the yarn, pull through both. Then find the next stitch and the next stitch on the other granny square and make a single crochet. Do this for every stitch until here. When you reach the other corner, just insert the hook there and make 1 single crochet. We just connected 2 granny squares together. Now chain 1 and cut the yarn. This is what it looks like until now. You have to repeat that same thing over again. What we have to do now is take the cups and place the middle of the cups here right at the middle of the granny squares. Okay, so now we will connect our cups to the granny squares. So you have to take the green yarn, place your hook in the first stitch right here, and in the stitch that you want to connect it to. So mine was here, like that. Take the yarn, pull through both stitches, and tie the yarn twice. Now insert the hook again in the same stitches like before. Grab the yarn, pull through, grab the yarn and chain 1. Make a single crochet in that same stitch. Continue making single crochets, connecting the cup to the granny squares. Don't make it too tight because it's going to look weird. Try to keep a normal tension, not too tight, not too loose. I just single crocheted my way through this cup and to the next cup. I just did the 5 stitches in the middle of the 2 cups. What I did was, since the 3rd stitch out of 5 stitches is the middle one, I connected it right to this line, In the other 2 stitches, I found 2 stitches here and 2 stitches here and just connected them together, if that makes sense. Now I'm going to continue to single crochet until I finish this cup too. When you're done connecting the cups, please don't cut the yarn off. I just did that. It was a mistake. It was by accident. So I'm just going to connect it here again. I didn't even think about it. I don't know why I cut the yarn. I was reminding myself all the time not to do it. I don't know what happened. But it's okay. I'm just being dramatic. Okay. So if you didn't cut the yarn, you'll be here with your yarn and you have to single crochet once in each stitch. Okay, so you're going to single crochet once in each stitch until you get here. Then I'm going to tell you what to do. So I just made my single crochets. If you're wondering what you should do in this part right here, you should put 3 single crochets in that space and then continue single crocheting once in each stitch. Now I'm at the next corner and I'm just going to put 1 single crochet there and I'm going to crochet the lace. I'm just going to make a chain of I don't know how many, maybe that'll be 100 and something. I'll tell you when I make it. I made a chain of 120 and now I'm going to go back with a slip stitch. So insert the hook, grab the yarn, pull through both. Insert the hook, grab the yarn, pull through both. That's what you're going to do through this whole chain. I just finished the lace. This is what it looks like. It's pretty long. And now I'm back here and I'm going to single crochet 2 more times in that corner and continue single crocheting once in each stitch. You should do that until you get here. So we will do the next lace here. So I just finished those single crochets and now I will make 2 single crochets in this corner right here and then I will make a chain of 120 just like we did before and I'll meet you there. When you finish your chain, again, go back with slip stitch. When you're done with your slip stitches, make 1 single crochet in the same space and continue single crocheting once in each stitch, just like we did before. You're going to do this until you get to the cup. So until here. When you get to the cup, you are going to make 2 single crochets. I didn't count that one because I was not in the cup yet. This is my second. Make a 3rd one and then make a picket. So chain 3 and you see these little bumps here. You have to go to the 3rd one, the closest one to the stitch, and make a slip stitch. Then make another single crochet in the next stitch. Make 2 more and then in the 3rd one again make a picket. So chain 3, on the 3rd bump make a slip stitch, single crochet in the next stitch, then make 2 more single crochets in the next 2 stitches, then in the 3rd one make a single crochet, make a picket, 2 and 3, look at the back of those stitches, find the third bump, make a slip stitch there, and single crochet in the next stitch. You're going to do this until you get at the top. This is the cup until now. Now single crochet in the top stitch and make a chain of 90. At least that's what I like my chain to be. I just made my chain of 90 and I'm going to go back with slip stitch. When you're done with your lace, just single crochet in the next stitch. Then single crochet in the next 2 stitches, and in the third one single crochet, chain 3, and the third bump, make a slip stitch, and then single crochet in the next stitch, single crochet in the next 2 stitches, single crochet in the third, but this time chain 3, and the third bump, make a slip stitch, and then single crochet in the next stitch. Continue doing this until the top here. When you're at the top, you're gonna do the same exact thing that you did here. So you're gonna single crochet, you're gonna make a chain of 90, you're gonna come back with slip stitch, and then you're going to single crochet in the next stitch. Then you're gonna continue with the pickets until you get here. When you finish that part, you're just going to single crochet until you're close enough to the first single crochet that you made. This is the first single crochet that I made. I'm just going to make one more, and then I'm going to slip stitch in the first single crochet. I'm going to chain 1 and cut the yarn. This is what the top looks like now. I really love it. And yeah, this is what we have made today. I love it. I hope you guys love it too, and I hope that you are able to make it by watching this tutorial. So thank you for watching. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing, giving this video a thumbs up, and sharing it with your crochet friends. Bye!